there. I didn't see you there. We're gonna do a bike check for my bike. I say. Okay, we're gonna start from the bottom. We're gonna start from the top, and now we're here. I have the ODI Stay Strong grips, and then I have the Animal PC Barons. Alrighty, I don't know if you can read the Animal anymore because it's all scratched up. I have the Kink Uptown bars in a 2.25 or 8.25 rise. Right. Stem, Mission Converge stem, hoop, forks, Kink Shifter 2 forks, Odyssey joystick peg, heavy as butthole, G-Sport upguard, Fit FFK folding tires in a white wall because it looks sexy. Mission Echo front hub, spokes always come loose and the front hub fades because it's in the sun for too long. Rim is black sheep, Alienation black sheep. The frame is 20.75 Kink Liberty. The whole thing's chromoly, it's really nice. Seat is a Verdi Bean X1000 seat. That's a weird name, but that's what it is. Mission seat clamp, some random seat post. Mission transits, cranks right there. Mission transit. Mission some mission sprocket that fades in the sun too. So I don't recommend it. It's already bent. See, it's faded gold kind of. Well, in that picture, it looks way gold. Mission bottom bracket, Spanish BB for that nice clean light look. Fit FFK folding tire in the back again, brand new, got them yesterday. Mission reach back hub, Mission spokes, Mission nipples, and Alienation black sheep. Odyssey joystick pegs. I have the Daily Grind back wheel. The Daily Grind back hub guard. So I didn't put it on yet. Pedals are are stolen thermalite. Really good, really grippy when you're grinding rails. Did I forget anything? Oh yeah, the chains. Some non-loop chain. Squeaks like a that is it. I'll see how it sounds on dials. It's pretty dials. Love it. Weighs about 25 pounds. Brand new, it's 24.5. It's a really nice bike. Really recommend it. We're gonna start filming today. See you guys later.
You gotta do a hub sound.
Oh yeah, hub sound. Sorry. I know some of you guys are in that kind of stuff. Alright, that's it. It's pretty loud for a stock hub, but it's still really nice to coast really well. Deuces.